In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wrike Document Editor, a tool that can greatly enhance your productivity when managing tasks and projects. Whether you're a team manager or just someone who wants to streamline document editing, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can make the most out of this application in just about 5 minutes. First, let's get started by logging into your Wrike account. If you haven't yet logged in, you'll want to head over to the Wrike login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to click on Log In. This brings you to the main login screen where you can proceed to access your account. It's always efficient to use an existing account for faster access. So let's continue by clicking on Google to log in. This method allows you to easily sign in with an existing Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to your Wrike workspace to avoid any confusion. Now, once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your specific task within the Wrike workspace. This step is crucial as you'll need to locate the task to which your document is attached. Simply find the task in question. This may vary depending on your project structure, but once you've identified it, click on the task to open it. By doing so, you'll have access to all the resources associated with it, including any attachments. Once you are in your task's detailed view, the next thing to do is focus on your document attachment. Look for the checkbox next to the document you intend to edit. Selecting this checkbox is important because it indicates to the system that this is the file you want to work on. It's a simple but critical step to ensure that you're working with the right document. After selecting your attachment, you're now ready to edit. Look for the edit button, which should be visible once your document is highlighted. By clicking Edit, you'll open the document in the Wrike Document Editor, where you can make any necessary adjustments. The editor provides a straightforward interface that allows you to enhance your document. You can format text, adjust styles, and collaborate with team members in real time, all within this intuitive environment. In summary, by following these steps, logging in, navigating to your task, selecting the document, and finally editing, you'll efficiently utilize the Wrike Document Editor to update your documents quickly and effectively. With practice, you'll find this process seamless, saving you time and effort in managing your projects. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing!